073-498 0246-073-498 and 0501-628931 0501-628931 2074 edu papa one madawromenti mayana ne hosi mamra yeba kase ne yetu aso
Point homeopathy clinic Ghana had the obian himself a prostate na baby omutibe screening ema hu ni ye etu ase a na a endpoint homeopathy clinic anase a kidney a liver problem wo fa baby na ajuju na de fa ne premature ejaculation no a ba ma bi a wo ne wodofo akwakwahia ase wo di ne ho agro ase wo tonte ene ye bra endpoint homeopathy clinic na ye moa wo ema ne mema mo pa wo eye endpoint homeopathy clinic wo mo dem fua yare bia infections bi ne wo ho anase bia wo hwa wo fa baby na ajuju kidney problem prostate there eye endpoint homeopathy clinic kuma se ubehu endpoint homeopathy clinic e wo kronoma boy here e na akra hanso so there wo mu gina mu ankasa e wo spintex bebre friend share signboard no huduro na ubusasa wo pe endpoint homeopathy clinic obia e be kire for endpoint e wo 0244867068 and 0274234321 endpoint homeopathy clinic wo mu dem fu
ewra me pa cho bra na me hwa de wo bag
bra aden enen so biem
tam heba me hye ya me ka se yi ba kwin ani wayi me yensen
bra sanya tam heba me hya esia gyimi ni me fiefo enya de abaako ebeso yen
we de udi se ofa ni nyina
time heba me hya me ka se me di one dance ya heaven ene de mekwa akopie enti se malaria we draw ne time heba mixture
enye enunku o de nanum ato a wontimi anidie no time heba mixture duro no ene ye ma wo oba a wafa afuro de wo ma akwada nofo ene akwada woni mfie dumienu entimi num aduro yi bi se obeto aduro yi bi anoma hwe se wakọ hospital anase lab am yehu se wo atridie malaria yi bi ansa se opetam heba mixture enu dudu atu a fo ani kire KNG Herbal Center ewo Emrom Abidjan House ana ba ko so wo atonsu Monaco Junction
eno echi obenya bi atowo over the counter medicine sellers any herbal shop dodo na emu
Fre 0244417669
kayo set time no TIME time herbal mixture afi malaria fever bi adani ziba ewo munu betu akọ
FDA agi adwade nkratoa yi atu
tontonte yenum nsane e fadwen
ne e fadwen mpa say na nim se bre bi beba ama tonti na 74 upa ye ne simple T74 abeye aduro
tonti na 74 ana T74 asa twe ya dwene asina nanom dodo so se de na dodo bua ma nanom enyare basabasa no saa na tonti na 74 ana T74 ebu anipadua no
emo immune support enti obi onum bie no abre bia ne ho den
tonti na 74 yi nso ya ye no se nsuo krokro wa kama enti ba bia wonam bia obetimi de wade akọ
samene wa ankefi na ekroyi eda no nko na wie ye wa bra mennom T74
samennom tonti na 74 menya hoodin mennom ne da bia
T74 yi eye hahama ene ye de aye na DHC ena aframa na ye kama saa no T74 ahoden ni apomuden kwa
wokọ pharmacy ana ba bia to nro bia ubenya tonti na 74 yi bia to
T74 yi enye ma oba wafa afuro ana obi a oma nufo ana se obi a onya mfie dumienu
eto phone 05016289931 and 0246073498 FDA agi adwadi nkratoa yi atom
Sompa TV Emma Aketiapa
Abusia Sompa de Aketiapa papa yada se watwen yen ami age aboafo no enkrato abayeto ensembno eso na opiemo ewo Accra ha se ya Abeka Church of Pentecost wanam district kese no ewo Abeka no empanifo a wom afato won ho so ese wanam ekọ educational institutions ya hodo a eno no wom emensini mu enti no opani a wono ya district pastor ewo Abeka Pentecost eye pastor Samuel wone ne empanifo pastor Samuel Sami Mreku na ebra wone ne mpanimfo ekoye na kire se esansa busumi enkankan eye breast cancer awareness month nti wan mo fatu wo mo so a wo mo ne nurse fo kan wo mo tambo mu a ene esuku bia na so yapon bia wonu bekomu no wanam adi education ede ama adehye no enkankan ema wonom ewom ebra yama ne bofo ebopini wo mo nchen Pastor Samuel ene Sompa kase etwetwe nkomo ekire butaye ntia wanum tu sa na mon kase.
Your parents are the number one family members. They brought you on this earth, and you have nothing to say than to when they ask you to do something, you do it. Is that okay? So you need to obey them. And the Bible says that this is the first commandment with what? Promise. A promise. What is that promise? The promise is that when you obey them, God will bless you. Is that okay? Yes. When you obey them, they will feel that, as for this child, as for my child is obedient. So I will make sure that I'll take good care of him or her. Is that okay? So that is what the Bible is telling us.
And that's what the Bible is telling us. So Penia Wanwakasa ye district pastor at my Church of Pentecost Abeka district no wono ene kasa ye Pastor Samuel Mreko and what you know nurse was also a specialist upiemo ewo Kolebu Teaching Hospital wono so ko bie Mrs Nancy Eshon wono so kasa kakra etu emofra ene omo mu hye nyina efo efa ekwanya obefa so abanso mu atumi ayedro eba no sabre yi emu a
that will let at a point in our life make our chest bigger than the male. Do you understand? Yes, and those are some of the things that fuel the growth of breast cancer. So the fact that you're a woman, it means you should pay particular attention to yourself so that you can detect early. Do you understand? Another thing is age. The books are saying from age 50 going, that's when we get pregnant. But in Kolebu, as we speak, some are 18 years, some are 16 years. So less than 20 years, we are still getting them. Why? Because sometimes they will see a lump in their breast, but because it is not paining them, they don't tell mommy, they don't tell daddy. And then that lump that initially was not a cancer now grows and becomes a cancer.
And yes, sir, a benini acquire se quanti pano, se one hre. Na wan kuno obenyine no abeda ne aponchireni to hu lamps no ewo wo breast ni mu a na watu hu na montem na anyensam ame ameka se adane breast cancer na ede ye esifia na se edoye no esifia opani okasa ye Mrs Nancy Eshon wono ene ka Church of Pentecost Abeka district no empanifo ho ema wo mutu anamon wo school so ahodo mu a wo mu di education me trentity yi ekoba emofra ema ne memenyina
afi yamfa nsem no nkopie mu ewo amanone wa amanone nsem no ukopie mu ewo America mamu a New York ena afi Washington DC ankasa Atlanta ena Boston omanfo ye oho kire se ira Donald Trump o ya America mampani no wo mo number eninti wo mo yo ya kire kase pa ede etia no prosifo kire se nipa be se 20,000 ena aka ho abom ewo Times Square ewo New York a wo mo yo ya kire kase pa ya dodo na nso ene na Washington DC ho Atlanta ena Boston na enipa dodo pa ena edu anchi so mpaka se ne yakọ no edu anchi na ye ne wo no mo a eye protest ni bi kasa emo mo kire nsem se kire ye.
Essentially, Donald Trump has been overreaching his powers as an executive, and we're all here to protest that and to basically say that he should not be able to conduct these overreaches of his power, invading cities, and basically showing the public is not willing to put up with that.
We're here today because to protest against the fascist regime that's going on in the White House.
I feel like the racist undertones of America now are, coming out of the woodwork and out of the shadows, and Donald Trump is allowing people to feel like they can just be overly racist. I feel like ICE is such a horrible, the way things are being handled is just so horrible.
We America for no bia wo mu nyina atu am ho agumu ye kire ewo Times Square Washington DC and afi so Atlanta Boston wo mo eka omadwen de kire so mpakase
abusia kasia no asi se afei no aso afidi ansem we na no pai ye didi wontua no abi ene sei Ora kwabena edubuahe ne nsɛm a ne lawyer ni de kwadan Accra High Court a wanam monchemye de to kra ibora mu a wo mu kyerɛ mu sɛ wo mu ntimi withheld proceedings no sabre ononyafo Sami Atachia ya wo no oyɛ lawyer no wakasa kyerɛ mu sɛ wo mu epese wo mu hide bibi nanso adekorode na wo mu hide no enokra ebeboa ne client no amwadi nkonim.
Ghana Bank of Ghana kyerɛ sɛ UBA na no wode tabno to ne so sese wayi tabno no de free ne so.
Church of Pentecost Abeka district no wanam esofo pani Pastor Samuel Mriku woni anesefo bi ni panifo bi ekosuapon ni sukusu ahodo nyinamo ekokasafa breast cancer na opon chichiku ede mu nsam esom yen.
Wono mu a ewa America kyerɛ sɛ Donald Trump wo mo number wo pa America fo asem enu nti o ma yo ye kyerɛ kɛse ede etia no.
Abusua na esem no edoso ene na no pɛ ye de esom wo asedan koba na KJC Company Limited so adan adensie mu ne ma no eso yasene afi endpoint homeopathy waso di homeopathy kwan etu yade asese 2074 ye na nanu dido ya na calm, portable and beautiful a obetumi atobia ma na boost immune system no na tu yade bi ase ede amawo she no so se ensemi free Sompa 106.5 FM across so no esje no so shrame na wasante ematamu a eye Sompa 93.1 Kumase Ayiko FM 100.9 afi Adafo Radio Paris France Abrochi Memo upiemo awotakwa eye Sompa 101.1 takrade ye Sompa 103.3 Tachiman eye Sompa 106.1 Sunyani ye Sompa 98.9 Enkranza ye Sompa 90.7 Doma ye Sompa 101.3 Mankesim enene kwado eye Kingdom 106.1 afi uti yenka ewo dikoda no so chichini benche ye so de bia se onsanka Sompa FM 106.5 wo decoder no so a rescan wo decoder no ubenya yen Facebook no so Tony streaming ye live e wo honom e ye Sompa 106.5 FM ye da mu nyina mu ase YouTube no e ye Sompa FM live www.sompaonline.com your website ya yesemu for penny owura tabo atiadama we kutire nsemu a de beso mu nyina potokasemu brofo afoforo bi ka ho ko na kwa kenkan bi apesima kan de hia ye je penny esi adwa ene kwese da no pay ebebe nsem dedewi ede somwo mimidin abena bedu adepa kofi menembra
obrempon nana kwaku ampoma yes sorry so na dwumedi aka atwaso
Hajia special local foods abaka